Today we shall look at how to apply for a student loan in Ghana, the step-by-step approach. Are you a student in Ghana struggling to pay school fees, buy books, or handle daily expenses? What if I told you thousands of students are already getting government-backed student loans and you might be missing out? Don't scroll past this video. It could be the financial help that keeps you in school. This is College Desk Ghana. Make sure you follow us now so you don't miss life-changing student opportunities. So let's look at the steps involved. Now, first of all, we shall look at what student loan is all about. What is a student loan? A student loan is financial support given to students to cover tuition, accommodation, books, and living expenses. And the best part, you repay it after completing school, often with very low interest. So let's look at the student loan options in Ghana. In Ghana, the most popular option is the Student Loan Trust Fund, also known as SLTF. It's government-backed, affordable, and trusted by thousands of tertiary students. Then let's look at who is eligible for any of these loan options. Who is eligible? Before applying, make sure you qualify. The following are the qualification criteria. You must be a Ghanaian, admitted to an accredited tertiary institution. You must have a Ghana card. You must have SNIT numbers for yourself and your guarantors. If you meet these requirements, you are good to go. Then let's look at the step-by-step application process. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Confirm your school is recognized. Step 2. Create an account on the SLTF portal. Step 3. Fill the online application form carefully. Step 4. Add your guarantor's details. Step 5. Upload your admission letter and ID. Step 6. Submit and track your application. Simple, right? But accuracy is everything. Now let's look at some common mistakes to avoid in this application process. Many students get rejected because of avoidable mistakes, which are wrong personal details, unqualified guarantors, late application, blurry or incomplete documents. Don't let small errors cost you big opportunities. Then also let's look at when and how you repay your loan. Repayment starts after national service or graduation, not while you are in school. Payments are flexible and can be deducted monthly once you are employed. And let's also look at what if you don't get the loan. If a loan isn't available right now, don't panic. You can explore the following: scholarships, part-time campus jobs, work-study programs. And guess what? College Desk Ghana shares these opportunities regularly. To summarize all this, education shouldn't stop because of money. A student loan can be the bridge between your dreams and reality. Follow College Desk Ghana for updates on student loans, scholarships, and academic resources. Remember to like, share, and tag a friend who needs this information, because missing out could cost them their education. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.
College Desk Ghana. Your excellence, our priority.